What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and that's probably because you haven't hit the bell. Thank you again for all your support. We're so proud of the amazing community that we've built. So we're just taking a look at Elrond here, and as you can see, things looking very, very good. It's holding its price really nicely considering the little, correction that we are having today in the market. And you can see, as we have been saying for a long time here, we've basically got our little range that we have formed like this. Basically looking something like this. For a lot of cryptocurrencies have been doing this kind of formation for basically ever since we had the May correction. We did have this little bearish period in the market, didn't we? And you can see, Elrond has been absolutely killing it since the start of the year at the start of the bull run, sorry. This is around October, November time here. We're at around $6 and we're currently at a price of $173, which is absolutely insane. Clearly a very, very bullish price. A massive amount of gains here. This is like a 30x or something on your money, so absolutely crazy gains. And you can see recently it's been getting a really nice pickup off the downside. Obviously got a big downtrend, high, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low. Then we did get the high, high, higher, low, fully trend reversed, looking something like this, just trading to the upside now, aren't we? And looking really, really strong. You can see ever since that we got flipped bearish on our EMAs, we have been stuck under them really, really well. Fake out to the downside of this range that we put in here. Range put in, fake out to the downside, stuck under our EMAs, come back down, retest the actual range as support this time. Bullish, obviously touching the 20 here, consolidate another 55, bullish. We come up to this little range here, break through this, we come up to the overall range, absolutely smash it. We come back down to around, what is this, the $120-ish level. That previous range high flipped into support. And you can see here, coming to the next level at around $142, stuck under it for a while. We get back above it, fake out back down to the downside, but we hold the 20 as support just like we did here, really bullishly, and you can see what happened next. Another nice little pump to the upside, basically to the next level of resistance, which is, coming in at around, what is this, $190-ish in and around this area of structure here. But you can see we put a little range in something like this, but with the 20 pushing the price action to the upside, it was only a matter of time before we did see this really nice pump. And you can see what happened. We got a very, very nice little move to the upside, didn't we? And it's looking really, really good. And you can see we've broken out of our resistance and we're currently forming another little range for the past week or so, looking something like this. So Elrond looking very, very strong, basically. Showing a lot of signs of support, a lot of bullishness to be holding these levels as it has been. And now that we've ascertained what's going on, we can look at some short-term price predictions. We're in a very strong uptrend currently, but if we do start to roll over, if we fall out of this little range that we've formed here, we've obviously got the 20 coming up like this, which has held as support really bullishly for this area here, not to mention this area down here. So you would strongly expect the 20 to be held as support. So if we did roll over here, the 20 coming in at around that $155, $160 area would be a very, very strong level of support, coinciding with that previous range high potentially, flipped into support after being resistance for a little while here. But if we do start to see ourselves coming back up to the top of the range, as we always say, at around $185, our next price target realistically is coming in at around that $200 level. Very strong psychological level, obviously. And there is a decent level of resistance in this area. So that would be our next price target for the short term if we do start to break up. And then if we look at some fib retracement levels here, put some price targets for the remainder of the bull run, you can see here, once we break our all-time high, we've got a 127 price target of around $370. The 141 here coming in at around 463. The 161 here coming in at around 633. And then a massive overextension at around the 227 coming in at around $1,743, which we do think is quite possible considering how strong the project is. And once it starts to get a lot of adoption for its new exchange, the Mara exchange, and all these products on the platform start to release and we do start getting more projects on the platform, it's going to be looking really, really bullish, isn't it? Really, really strong. And we do think a 5x from the all-time high here is very, very possible indeed, which would be realistically coming in at around $1,500. So that's it, guys. We'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with the 4 videos that we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.